Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2026 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear step bumper, alloy wheels, tire pressure monitoring system, remote keyless entry, front wheel independent suspension, chrome mirror caps, trailering package, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, brake assist. Create lasting memories with your loved ones on unforgettable road trips.